team.gooninwife and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a major unboxing. As you can see, I've been collecting a lot of packages, and to be honest, I didn't realize I ordered this much and I don't remember what I ordered. So I've been collecting all these packages for about 2 weeks now, and I patiently waited until I filmed this video so that I can do unboxing with you guys and share my first impressions. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and let's get it started. I have several packages from FedEx. These are mostly from the States. I'm gonna open this first. Ooh, Anna Luisa. Oh my gosh. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? It's super cute. I love the blue pocketed box. Anna Luisa is a jewelry brand based in New York, and I recently came across this brand on Instagram and also on YouTube. So I've always wanted to get some pieces from them, and I finally did. I'm super excited. Oh wow. So I got 3 pieces, and every piece is nicely packaged in this navy pouch. Love it. I love when jewelry brand like Anna Luisa does this kind of final touch. And the first piece that I got is this pearl necklace. Oh wow, it's so pretty. And I love how it's very substantial, and I can tell it's very well made. As you can see, the clasp looks like so. So I can unlock and lock the necklace like so. I don't own any this kind of pearl necklaces, so this is so perfect, and I cannot wait to wear this with a white clean shirt and black sweater, any blouse. And this is so perfect for of course for work, but also for night out and special events too. And in the pouch, I see this clear pouch too, and inside of this clear pouch, I think it's a cleaning cloth so that I can travel with this jewelry with me. Next I got another necklace. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is a pearl necklace set of 3 necklaces. They are all separated like so, and it's even better because sometimes I wanna just wear these 2 layered, or just wear one by itself. So it's more versatile, and I can style this with so many different outfits. And most of their pieces are 14K, so you don't have to worry about tarnishing or anything like that. Last piece from Anna Luisa is so cute. I got these pearl earrings. My ears are really small and very thin, so I cannot really wear like heavy dangly earrings. So this kind of small dainty light earrings are perfect for my ears. As you know, I always wear these diamond studs all the time, but I'm gonna change my earrings to this. This is so perfect. If you want to find out more about this brand, please go ahead and check out Anna Luisa at annaluisa.com. I'll also add a link to their website in the description box down below, so please go ahead and check that out. Next from FedEx, I got this pair of jeans. These are from Golde. Like, I've never heard this brand, but apparently this brand is very popular. The style and the size were all sold out, so I was able to find this pair on revolve.com. I don't own this kind of very light denim, and I love how it's high-waisted. I got size 24, and I'm kind of afraid this could be a little bit too small on me. I usually wear size 25, but Since it's high-waisted, I went with a size smaller. I can wear this with t-shirts and I'm so excited. Next, this is not a FedEx package, but this is also from Brooklyn, New York. The brand name is Giulia Perone. I'm not sure how to pronounce this name, but from here I got, ooh, very nice. Love the packaging. I don't know, I'm a sucker for packaging. I got a silk scarf. Oh, this is so pretty. This is another great piece for spring, and I'm thinking about pairing this scarf with sweater, thin sweater, shirt, t-shirts, all kinds. And I love the color. It's not white or it's not ivory. It has a little bit of green tint to it, and these are so pretty. I'm so excited. Next, I got Kerastase Densific. That's an ampoule, so it helps with hair density, quality, and fullness of your hair. This is what it looks like. You're supposed to put this ampoule after you wash your hair. I was recommended this product at a salon that I go to, and I just ordered this on auction. And they also sent me some samples. And what is this? I only ordered this ampoule, but they sent me these two samples as well as this full bottle of shampoo. That's insane. If you want to buy something, then check out G Market and auction first, because usually the price is a lot better, and also some sellers, they offer this kind of really cool samples too. And I honestly don't know what this is. The sticker says smile delivery, so it's probably from either G Market or auction. It's a huge box and it's pretty heavy too. Ooh. It says 늘 새롭고 즐거운 쇼핑 경험을 위하여. It says for new and fun shopping experience. Okay. Oh wow! Inside there's a small gift. So I'm not sure why I got this. I work for eBay Korea, but I'm not sure why they gave me this. It's because I'm a Smile Club member. So inside there's a pink tumbler, small sized Yankee candle. Love the scent, clean cotton. Ah, smells so fresh. And this one is peppermint. And this is a first aid kit. Free gifts are always right and always good. I gotta ask why I got this. Thank you, Smile Club, for sending me this awesome gift. Now on to the rest of the package. This package is from Jeju-do. Peanut butter. Jeju Udo Dangkong Jam. It's from Blanc Rocher. This is my husband's favorite. He loves peanut butter in general, but this is his top favorite. Someone actually gifted this to me several months ago, and my husband and I really loved it. So we finished the first bottle in just a few weeks, and I ordered several more so that I can, of course we can eat, and also I want to share it with my parents and our friends. It just tastes healthier, more fresh. Yeah, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Highly recommend this. Next, I got cups. I got these glass cups. I got this from G9, which is another brand of eBay Korea. I have several mugs, but I don't own this kind of glass clear ones. As you saw in my previous video for my Christmas haul, I got a Nespresso coffee machine, Virtuo, and that coffee machine makes the most incredible crema, and in order to capture that on Instagram, of course, I wanted to get this kind of clear cup so that you can see how thick and how creamy the crema is. So that's why I got these two. And next, this one. So I ordered this clear box to store my Nespresso coffee capsules because my old capsule holder was for regular Nespresso coffee machine. But since I got the virtual one, which use a bigger capsules, I needed to get this kind of container to store my capsules. So I got this. It's a clear box, and I also got this from G Market. Last but not least, I got this package. This is also from overseas. I love this yellow box so much. From my Luisa, I got, oh wow. It's super bright. It hurts my eyes. It almost looks like, you know, the highlighter that we use at school. It's that color. It's super bright. I mean, it's cute, but it's really bright. Oh my gosh. So I got this sweater, not realizing it's gonna be this bright. It's Helmut sweater. I've seen this sweater on so many different photos on Instagram, and so many people style this sweater so many different ways. I've seen some people wearing this sweater with a black leather skirt, and also with you know, just plain khaki pants and jeans, all sorts of different styles and looks. I've seen a lot of this kind of bright greens in this season, so I wanted to get one for myself, but I didn't realize it's gonna be this bright. So that was it for my unboxing. I didn't realize I ordered this much. If you're interested in jewelry from Ana Luisa or any other products that I mentioned in this video, please be sure to check out the description box down below, where I'll be listing all the links to the products. If you have any video requests, please leave comments down below so that I can check and make videos for you guys. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification for updated videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.